Morning.
Yeah, you're a strong one, boy. Yeah. You okay, boy? Yeah, you okay? Yeah. You're a good boy. Okay there, boy? That's it. Yep. Easy, boy. You all right? Yeah. Yeah, you all right there, boy?
Clear! I need to pass.
That's my boy. Yeah. There, boy. You're a good boy. Good boy.
You think nothing but I can see
Shh, boy.
you ain't paid to stand around
It'll
wasting
take
your
more than that, boy. Good work, pal.
Howdy, partner.
Hello.
Hey, you there. A quick word.
What can I do for you, sir?
There's an old gunslinger I'm looking for. Heard he comes through here. Name of Midnight? Billy?
Oh, that old soak? Yeah, he spends days on board these trains, but he's going nowhere but the gutter. I imagine you'll find him right in the next one through here. Either that or the next one. Try 'em both. Look in the bar car.
Got the hell talking about that boy.
Hello. Mr. Midnight?
Excuse me, I'm trying to drink.
Mr. Midnight, listen, this won't take a moment. I just want to talk with you about your old days as a shootist.
Get away from me!
Hey,
I didn't shoot him in his sleep.
no one's
I didn't shoot
saying
him in
that.
his sleep, and if I did, it was the only way.
Not a problem. I'm here about Jim Boy Calloway, and no one shot him yet.
I knew you'd come for me. Get away from me!
Mr. Midnight! Ah.
I knew you'd come, but you ain't getting me! I knew you'd come for me! It weren't my fault! I knew!
You don't know nothing, Mr. Midnight. I want to talk. Don't do something foolish.
You come for me! Come on! Hey,
Yeah.
How you doing, boy?